In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down to tap on General Settings over here. Following that, you can click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and then Gboard. Now it's time to select Text Correction and use Gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When it's ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!